Ever wondered if the same tooth you lost could grow back? Is it possible to say goodbye to dentures and hello to natural teeth? Well, the world of dentistry might just be on the brink of making that happen, thanks to stem cell therapy. Stem cell therapy, in its essence, is the use of stem cells to treat or prevent a disease or condition. These cells are like the blank canvas of our body, having the potential to develop into many different cell types. In dentistry, this therapy could mean a revolution. Imagine a scenario where a lost tooth can regenerate. This isn't a fantasy, it's the promising reality stem cell therapy is pointing towards. The therapy leverages the power of stem cells found in our teeth, specifically in the dental pulp, which is the soft living tissue inside the tooth. These cells, when activated, can differentiate into various types of cells needed to repair tissues and organs. In the case of dentistry, these stem cells can potentially grow into new teeth, a process that mimics the way our bodies naturally grow teeth when we are children. Now, before you start imagining rows of new teeth growing in your mouth, it's important to note that this technology is still in its infancy, but the potential it holds is immense. It could mean an end to painful root canals and the discomfort of dentures. It could also mean faster recovery times and less reliance on synthetic materials. And perhaps most importantly, it could transform the way we perceive oral health and dentistry. So what have we discovered today? Stem cell therapy in dentistry holds a promising future. It's like having a seed that can grow into a tree. The seed in this case is the stem cell, and the tree is the new tooth. This therapy could potentially revolutionize dentistry, making procedures like root canals and dentures things of the past. However, it's important to remember that this is a developing field. While the prospects are exciting, it will take time to fully realize and implement this technology. In the meantime, continue to take care of your oral health. Brush twice a day, floss daily, and don't forget your regular checkups with your dentist. And while you're at it, do subscribe to Mind Musings. We bring you intriguing insights into the world of health, science, and beyond, right here at your fingertips. This is Mind Musings, signing off until next time. Stay curious, stay informed.